You must give a try on this Mermaid Vibe nails. The simplest system for home salon nails you have ever seen. Straight comes with 3 shades. Just dip, activate, and seal, and you're gonna get these holographic chunky glitter made nails instantly. No need to pay $65 to a salon. Simply follow my step-by-step tutorial to get your pastel color mermaid glittering dipping nails done in no time. You should have mastered the vital knowledge and know about your product very well. Make sure at least to make some color swatches to have some feel about how is this system going before you process on your nails. At least 2 layers of pastel color powder and liquid is the minimum requirement for you to have appealing color and durable nails. A clear powder is a must-have for your chunky glitter. One aspect fills up the space in between each sparkling item. And on the other hand, it also gives you a layer of protection to keep your nails shiny during a filing and buffing process. There is a pro-level tip to form a no-risk color combo like this. For the reason of the light reflection of the holographic glitters, you may have various colors from them. And this way allows you more options to have boundless ideas to create your nail dipping manicure, as long as no darker or has similar hues from the glitter shade. Let's dive in.